And this week I'm going to be showing you our first all ages craft of winter 2022, a tissue paper collage. To do this craft, you'll need your craft packet, which you can pick up in library drive-thru or at the lower floor desk. And from home, you'll need some white glue, or Mod Podge is good if you have that too. You'll need a container like a shallow bowl or a cup, some water, and a pair of scissors. In your craft packet, you'll get a canvas, an assortment of tissue papers, and a foam brush. To start, you'll need to open your canvas. This is wrapped in plastic. Beautiful. And now you're going to take your tissue papers, and we're going to be making essentially a tissue paper collage on top of our canvas for decoration. If you want to do it for Valentine's Day, for the holiday, you can easily cut your tissue paper into hearts, and that's what I'm going to do. But you could do different shapes if you wanted to, or and have it just be colorful and a cool pattern, or you could do something more advanced and try to make a picture if you'd like. But I'm going to do hearts, and what I'm going to do is take my pieces of tissue paper and just kind of line a few of them up, fold them in half, and using this method I learned in elementary school, cut some pages into hearts. And I'm going to do that with all my tissue paper and make a bunch of different tissue paper hearts. Okay, so I've got all my tissue paper cut into tissue paper hearts, and now I'm going to add some white glue to a little bit of water in my bowl, and this is just going to water the glue down a little bit. If you have Mod Podge at home instead of white glue, you can use that straight and you don't need to like water it down. But this is pretty simple. You'll just start by adding some of your watered down glue to your canvas, and then placing your tissue paper heart on top and adding more glue to cover it, and then taking another one and placing it on, oops, and I'm going to have this go around the corner, and you just keep doing that and layering it on top of each other until your whole canvas is filled. I'll show you what that looks like at the end. And here is my completed tissue paper collage. This is still wet, but I went around all the corners, and when it's dry, I'll just hang it up on the wall for some seasonal decoration. And that's it, everybody. I hope you enjoy making your heart tissue paper collage. Don't forget to pick up your craft packet in library drive-thru or downstairs at the lower floor desk, and we'll see you again in 2 weeks.